thinks he's laundry again. Phauxe is getting a lot of laundry done. He's already threatening to pack.
Well, we're going soon.
No, we're not.
Yeah,
We have a lot of time still.
no.
Oh God. I'm gonna go back to editing. Bye.
Good morning. I am trying my best to eat leftovers, so this is bad. Potato soup I made like 2 days ago, and some leftover pretzel sauce. Apparently I found where all the girls take naps. You guys gonna scooch? Can I join you? Yeah, let me join you.
Phauxe is one-upping us. Hooray.
Yeah, so we had these doorbells for years, and I finally got some of these outlets to plug them in. So I got like cameras in that one, and then these are this one. But yeah, we finally have actual doorbells. Yeah, otherwise it was just always connected to our phones, but now we can actually like
Hear something?
yeah. So
Well then.
yep, and I don't know if I'm gonna leave it here, but at least it's easy to move around.
Well, I was confused. Like I hear ringing.
Yep. Yeah, it was me hooking up the doorbells.
I'm so tired.
Yay.
Good job.
So, next project is going to be building out a new Corsi Rosenthal box to replace the one down in the kitty litter room. So, we have one downstairs in the kitty litter room and one upstairs in our hallway. The one upstairs in the hallway I'm going to do when we get back, but the one in the litter room I'm going to do before we leave. So that's going to be today's project. Okay, so I got the new box assembled. Mostly the box part, so the 3 or 4 filters are on all sides, and then yeah, it's just duct tape on the bottom. So important things, airflow goes to the inside, because when you attach the fan is pumping air up, so like you can feel the air pumping up. So it basically sucks air in through the sides and up the top. And then yeah, for the bottom, I just use a cardboard, just from a, you know, any regular box. So and then for comparison, I don't know how well it shows up, but like the new box compared to the old box, like the old one, we've had this down here for maybe a month and a half, 2 months, and it's right by our litter boxes. So as you can see, so yeah, that's after about a month and a half. So you can tell like it does quite a bit. Like it just captures all the extra dust. Like we have dust-free litter and supposedly dust-free litter, and captures all this stuff, and it helps too with our because we have laundry in here too. So like yeah, just yeah, really makes a difference. So we're gonna replace the finish replacing the fan, move it over to the new box, and toss these old filters. So all right. There we go. We got the new box all set up. Yeah, the old one I'm going to take out, and yeah, I will show you again what the old one looks like once I get it outside. I think it's going to be pretty disgusting and epic. But yeah, if you have cats, especially multiple cats, I'd recommend investing in one of these in the litter area. It really makes a difference.
Oh goody.
Yep.
So you can spy on me and Ruby.
Yes.
Phauxe is all kind of adulting today.
Yep.
Ruby's like my nap buddy. And I keep like wandering out to the table and grabbing a few things and then coming and dying.
Yeah, well, I've been taking breaks too.
Yeah. And Ruby is like, nope, you're not moving anymore. You live there now, Mom.
You have selected the...
So we're gonna get a car wash.
We're gonna get the ultimate card wash.
Yeah, I was like thinking, oh, the windows are all streaky and dirty. Which is crazy. Didn't we just get a car wash? But hi. Phauxe has been very busy. I hope you appreciate him.
You have selected the ultimate car wash.
Yeah.
Please deposit $15.
Oh, big spender. this way before.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're allowed to
Cheating.
go this way or what.
Well, this is what we're doing.
Oh, hey, a long line of cars.
You would have put on your Christmas music. That's a big gingerbread man.
Penny makes noise.
Oh, look at that. There's only 15 more days until Christmas, according to the Grinch.
Wow.
That guy's an expert. I do like the candy cane, like trees. So are we going all the way down and then going back this way? The beach?
I really don't know. I'm fine with where we're
Oh my god.
Yeah, because the candy cane's fine.
They have cars.
How embarrassing.
There you go. Commentary.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it might have been a dog, though.
They got unicorns.
Wow.
That is dedication,
Those
man.
are some big reindeer.
Just imagine living on the street and not doing anything. Like,
Well, we just left for Halloween.
man.
Emery.
They got a Toy Story. I have no idea. I'm sure it's something religious.
Dragon's over here coming up.
Do you think they trade with each other so you don't have to have the same theme every year?
I have no idea.
Like, toss the magic dragon over there. That definitely not. Like, Phauxe always gets the cool stuff. Jesus.
Holy shit.
Just Jesus.
Wow.
Okay. Veggie tail. Christmas got jazzed up. Somebody had to fight for this thing.
What do you mean?
they were not allowing it. I don't know, because it's an archway. Snoopy or their snowman broke. I just don't care when they don't have cohesion. Like, what does Yoda have to do with Santa or Snoopy or anything?
It's just things they like.
What?
It's just things they happen to like.
Do you have a favorite one so far? I like the dragon.
Yeah, I was gonna say the dragons was a pretty good one.
I'm impressed with this roof though, man. Look at that.
There's a giant Santa on my side coming out.
No, what do you think their electric bill is? Star Wars or something.
Space Wars.
Candy cane lane.
It's Star Trek, by the way.
I like the trees.
Yeah, you want to pop open that sunroof?
Why fucking yell out marry everybody? What was that even from?
That's from The Simpsons.
I think this is one of my favorite houses too. We came by it before.
Yeah.
But they got like everything. They got Santa telling you how many days, and then they got a candy cane tree.
this house because we really like Bluey.
Yeah.
And then they got a bunch of minions too. Like, there's no cohesion though. Like, what do Minions, Bluey, the Grinch, and Mickey Mouse have in common? Hi, Bluey.
I was just commenting that you're not into Alpha side
No.
because you didn't think the shelf on the elf was funny.
No, because, like, look at his eyes. They're like... They're X'd
Oh yeah, he got his shit wrecked. Oh yeah, Family Channel. just bleep that.
Oh, that's just yours and that solution to everything. You think people are seriously waiting to see the bear jump out?
I don't know. Look, let's go back in the box. Oh, it's almost unbearable. I have no shame.
You are horrible. Oh my, because I'm laughing. Oh, look, Santa's hanging off the roof. There's more dinosaurs.
A whole bunch of Grinches.
Yeah, one right there, too.
Hey. Heidi ho.
I'm funny.
You should, let me do the jokes.
Hey, you got any jokes?
None that are appropriate for your channel.
I thought it was our channel.
Our channel, yes.
Yeah, because we're raking in so much money
Oh, yeah.
with our 10 views a day.
Yep. I don't know. I just get recorded. I don't know.
You don't like being recorded?
Well, I don't do any of the editing and uploading, so.
Yeah, I do a lot. Thank you for visiting Candy Cane Lane. I like the camper and the gnomes. Window down. There's a camper and snowman and gnomes. And a foxy. Every year they change the rules.
Yeah.
Turn them on, turn them on.
I just like doing what everyone else is doing.
This person means business. Oh, they even have flamingos. That's what everybody's waiting in line for.
My dear old friends, family, it's time to say goodbye. Let's pray to God and have a faith we will meet again soon.
Hi, so thanks for watching Vlogmas. I hope you're enjoying day 11. You'll probably see me in the same sweater tomorrow. I'm throwing something together because I realized I never did an intro. But Phauxe and me will get caught up on the pet toys today? Tomorrow? I don't know. But thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.
My dear old friends, family, it's time to say goodbye. I don't wanna leave you behind. Why do we have to go? When will we meet again, my dear? I hope it's not too long. Let's pray to God and have a faith we will meet again soon. My dear old friends, family, it's time to say goodbye. I don't wanna leave you behind. Why do we have to go? When will we meet again, my dear? I hope it's not too long.
Happy Vlogmas, every pony! Stay tuned for us to explore Jubilee this winter as we go on a Christmas cruise for the maiden voyage for Carnival Jubilee this December. Stay tuned and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and happy Vlogmas!